Hello everyone, welcome again. So in this video I'll be talking about what is programming. So this is my uh, channel Code Coffee Circuit. Make sure you subscribe, like videos and share videos with your friends if you think it is worth sharing. So let's learn, okay? Be ready to grab some insight on what is programming. So here you can see baby is crawling towards the mud, but father from distance is saying don't go in the mud. But baby in return says I don't know what is good, what is bad, because because the baby's mind is empty. They don't know anything. So as they grow, we provide them instruction, we provide them knowledge. So based on those knowledge, they know what is good, what is bad, okay, and their mind gets full of knowledge. So in similar way, every machine around us also needs programming. So like we taught the baby what is good, what is bad, okay, in similar way we have to teach, we have to tell machines that what is good, what is bad, and what they should do, what they should not, okay, what they are capable of doing, okay, we have to tell them. So how do we tell them? That is through programming, okay. So here you can see an example. A robot is standing still but another robot is dancing, because the second robot, okay, second robot has been programmed or has been provided with instruction for dancing, okay, but the first one's brain is empty, okay, empty. There is nothing written on its brain, but the second one has some instruction written on its brain. So based on the instruction, it is dancing, because dance instruction are provided, but for the first one there is nothing. So not only robots but other machines, other electronic equipment like coffee maker, washing machine, television, remote, okay, all these things also need to be programmed. So let's take example of TV remote. If we do not program these buttons, okay, then they will not work. So we have to program what is the function of 1, what is the function of 2, what is the function of 3, what does this red button should do. So we have to program it. So based on the device we are programming, or based on our use, or based on what we are programming for, so there are different programming languages, okay. So you can see programming language like C, JavaScript, C++. C is lower level language than C++, okay. C++ is higher version of C, okay. Similarly HTML, Java, Python and many more, okay. You can see many programming language based on the use. You do not use every programming language. If you are a web designer, you don't use all kind of programming language that are available. There are certain programming language that are used for web development, similarly for operating system design and other machines, okay. So till now all those things I told, it might have been clear to you that writing instruction for machines is called programming. So like we train our children's or babies by providing them instructions, guidance, we are generally doing, what we are doing is programming their mind to do certain things, okay. In similar way, we provide instruction to machines, and providing those instruction is called programming, okay. And for those programming we have different programming languages. So now in my further videos I'll be talking about, and I will be teaching you about C programming. So let's start with C programming. So make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Drop some code into your computer and hit those keys really fast and be a programmer in C programming language. So thank you for watching. See you again. Tada, bye bye.